Alright, yung gabi sa tanan, nag-delay ko ano, ni- sa sa last second to the last topic natin. It's because I am not feeling well. Kakatula ko tutunlan and of course, masakit maghambal. So, ngayon ko lang or depende. Okay, sige. Our topic for tonight, for today is urinary system. Okay. Anong urinary system? How does the urinary system work? Na-explain ko naman, na-rationalize ang answers ang quiz naton. So, pagyantan lang. The urinary system's function is to filter blood, as I've said, filtrate blood and create urine as a waste byproduct. The organs of the urinary system includes the kidneys, renal, pelvis, ureter, bladder, and urethra. So, ari sila ang kitaon man, urinary system, ari kidney, dili filter, veins, artery, okay. Ureter, diri sila galabay, pakadto kay bladder. Okay, ano ganing bladder? Kung sila gay no nang do, hindi man puson, no? Basta do, ginatstayan sa ihi, ah. Internal sphincter and urethra, aragyan sa ihi, pagwa. The body takes nutrients from the food and converts them to energy. After the body has taken the food components it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and in the blood. The kidney and urinary systems help the body to eliminate liquid waste called urea. Okay, magwa sa exam si urea, tandaan. And to keep kay urea, tandaan mo, pwede na siya nga lapit siya sa word nga urine. Kay nga kidney, ti ano ginobra sa kidney filter sang or eliminate liquid waste called urea, lapit sa word nga urine, and to keep chemicals such as potassium, sodium, water in balance. Urea is produced when foods containing proteins such as meat, poultry, and certain vegetables are broken down in the body. Urea is called carrying the bloodstream to the kidneys, or is removed along waterways. Sa rin, badalman, manor calyx, renal V, renal A, pelvis, etc. Okay. Kidney and urinary system parts and their functions. Pila ka bilang ng kidneys naton? Two. Ara, two kidneys. Okay, pilang pwede ibaligya? Isa lang guys. Okay? Ang isa pwede ni convert sa iPhone or uh, motor. Okay? This pair of purplish brown organs is located below the ribs toward the middle of the back. Their function is to, okay, ano na ba ako? Remove waste products and drugs from the body, balance body fluids, release hormones, regulate blood pressure, control production of red blood cells. Okay, kidneys. The kidneys remove urea from the blood through tiny filtering units called nephrons. Okay, nephrons. Um, Nagana uh, major term. Wait, magwa siya sa exam. Okay, nephrons. Okay. Nephron, basic structural functional unit. Gali mo ng term. Basic or structural functional unit. Sa kidneys is called nephrons. Ano ang nephrons? Mga naga-filter nga units. Okay, filtering units is just nephrons. Okay, each nephron consists of a ball formed of small blood capillaries called glomerulus and a small tube called the renal tubule. Urea together with water in other ways so this informs the urine and it passes through the nephrons and down the renal tubules of the kidney. Two ureters are luwaton ta are sorry are na ureter ni sila duha ka bilog. Two ureters are these narrow tubes carry urine from the kidneys, di ba? Halin to sa kidneys. Okay, gin-filter na ni nephron sa kidneys. Kadto na din ka ureter malabay. Ureter muscles in the ureter walls continually tighten and relax, forcing urine downward away from the kidneys. Okay, if urine bags up or swollen and is allowed to stand still, a kidney infection can develop about 10 every 10 to 15 seconds. Small amounts of urine are emptied into the bladder from the ureter. So, 10 to 15 seconds, may mga tulo-tulo na ngalin sa kidney, malabas sa ureter, pato sa bladder. Okay? Bladder. Anong bladder? This triangle shape Hollow organ is located in the lower abdomen. Okay, lower abdomen, dalom-dalom lang saan? Yan. It is held in place by ligaments that are attached to other organs and the pelvic bones. Sorry. And contract and flatten to empty urine to retread. Typical healthy adult bladder can store up to 2 cups of urine for 2 to 5 hours. So 2 cups of urine for 2 to 5 hours. Upon examination, specific landmarks are used to describe the location of any irregularities in the bladder. These are trigone, right and left lateral walls, posterior wall, back wall, dome, roof of the bladder. Okay. Two sphincter muscles. These circular muscles help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Din ang sphincter muscles naton. Let's babaw. Sphincter muscles. Yari, internal sphincter. Okay, sphincter muscles. Ano, Brian? Na, do rubber band, ganagapugong sang ihi, nga magwa, nasa urethra. Okay, nerves in the bladder. Nerves alert a person as time to urinate. Okay, kung dumangihi na ang nerves sa bladder, nagahatag sang signal sa aton brain nga, huy, damo na di sang ihi. Need mo na mangihi or empty the bladder. Okay? Urethra, anong urethra? This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. So, amuning alagyan sang ihi, pagwa na sa lawas. The brain signals the bladder muscles to tighten, which squeezes urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscles to relax to let urine exit. Okay, mangihi. So, question, Sir, din ang lipot nga urethra, babae or lalaki? Always ginaas ta ginamag. Fourth year pamangkot. Anong lipot, urethra, babae or laki? Always answer guys is babae. Anong permi gina? UTI. Di ba babae, urinary tract infection. So urinary tract, bukod nga lipot ang, di na to ang, aryo, lipot ang urethra nyo guys, mas prone sa UTI ang babae. Kaya nga lipot lang, makalabot na yun ng infection sa urinary tract. Unlike sa lalaki, laba yung urethra. Okay, depende pa kung ano nga rasa. Okay, para makalabot dito sa punta sa urinary tract, hindi siya dali-dali yung infection ang lalaki. Okay, so mostly infection gina-infection gid ang babae. Urethra, facts about urine. Normal, healthy urine is a pale, straw, transparent color yellow. Darker yellow, honey colored urine needs more water. Darker, brownish color indicate liver problem, severe dehydration. Pinkish red, of course, may blood. Pinkish or red, may blood. Kidney stones, the kidneys produce urine to eliminate waste. Wait, din ang exam nyo. Okay. Magwa sa exam, ari ang mga facts about urine, ang color, okay, darker color, dan basahan nyo lang kay magwa sa exam. Okay, adrenal, di na to. Okay, di na ta. Okay, urinary system pathologies, common disease disorders, kidney stones. Kidneys produce urine to eliminate waste. Kidney stones can form when mineral and acid salts ammonia in the urine crystallize and stick together. May bato. Okay. If the stone is small, it can pass easily through the urinary system and out of the body. A larger stone can get stuck in the urinary tract. However, a stuck kidney stone causes pain and can block the flow. So, amo na. Bato sa kidney. Urinary incontinence, hindi makontrol ang ihi, is the loss of bladder control. Most bladder control issues arise with the sphincter muscles. Buto nga ba ako ginablang do rubber band? Ang do sphincter, sorry, ang sphincter muscles, gid, weak siya or too active. If the sphincter muscles are too weak, a cough or sneeze can cause urination. So gamay lang nga ubo or pangatsi, gapangi ikaw. The sphincter muscles that are too active can trigger a sudden strong urge to urinate with little urine in the bladder. So gayhi ka masig gamay lang ang bladder strong. Okay. Urinary incontinence, UI. Women experience UI twice as often as men. It becomes more common with age. Okay. Fluid-filled cysts can develop in the kidneys, PKD, polycystic kidney disease, etc. Chronic kidney, okay, chronic kidney mga chronic dugay kay chronic kung Dasig lang, acute. Okay? Chronic kidney disease can lead to kidney failure. In chronic kidney disease, the kidneys are damaged and unable to filter blood properly. This damage can lead to buildup of waste substances in the body and to other problems, including kidney failure. The most common of CKD include diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure. Guys, magwa sa exam, diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, connected siya sa kidneys. Kung may kidney failure, balda na siya. Kay malabot si diabetes, si heart disease, and si blood pressure connected na sila. Diseased kidney may look smaller and have a granular surface. Pwede ka siya madagdag sa multiple organ failure, no? Anyway, disease and disorder in the system, varices, cystitis, urinary tract UTI, urine continence, diagnostic test, X-ray, cystoscopy, mga ginagamit kung urine test, treatment, medication, surgery, kay kidney damage, risk factors, diabetes, high blood pressure, guys, liwat lang nga rin yung sa babaw. ESRD, end-stage renal disease, renal failure. Treatment for renal failure, dialysis, hemodialysis, puro dialysis, gid guys. Okay, ginatinluan gid ang dugo. Kaya hindi na kaya sang kidney mag-filter. Okay, so, muna, ginadialysis para dala na filter, dala na tinlo sa blood. Kidney transplant, of course. Amo na ginabawang kidney, ginabaligya nyo, ginahatag sa mga magarano. Charot. Okay, most common transplants, sources of transplant, living related donor, living unrelated donor. Amo na, this is donor. Okay, that's it.